Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to connect your phone to AnyView Cast on your Hisense TV, but it's not working, then this video is going to show you the exact steps that are working in 2026. So first of all, your TV must be ready to receive the casting signals. So in order to check that out on your Hisense TV, you just have to go to the settings. In your settings, you just have to look for the option of network. Now inside the network, you just have to look for the option of AnyView Cast. Now after selecting it, you just have to turn it on. On some models, you may also find it under input, and then in the input, you are going to see the AnyView Cast option. So once it is enabled, your TV is going to show a waiting screen for connection. Now casting is going to work if your phone and the TV are connected on the different networks. So you need to go to your TV settings, and then when you go to the network, you just have to click on the option of Wi-Fi this time. After that, you need to confirm your TV is connected. Now you need to initiate the casting from your phone. For that, you just have to on your Android phone open the settings, then look for the option of screencast or smart view or the cast option. Wait for Hisense TV to appear in the list and then tap on it to basically connect it. If prompted on the TV, you just have to accept the connection request. In 2026, VPNs or private DNS settings can block the casting discovery. So you need to basically disable any VPNs if you are using them on your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.